This morning, we awoke to a little bit of flooding over by the East River, not much, but mostly these uprooted trees. These trees are probably there about 50 years, 60 years potentially. Also, right behind our building is Corlier's Hook Park, part of East River Park. And you can see there, trees that are probably 100 years old or more are knocked down, destroyed. These will all have to be removed, uprooted. This is a park, incidentally, I once saw an American bald eagle. This tree took over a whole street, knocked into a car. This is a tree that fell